guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime that I made. Obviously you saw that in another video that I made. Hopefully everyone had seen it, that I made my slime. So this is what it looks like, guys. It's a bit sticky, but you'll get used to it. So you just keep stretching and then it gets less stickier. Just keep stretching it. And the next thing I want to show you is my magic cup. So it's a McDonald's cup. It has nothing in it, as you can see. So there's nothing in it. Now watch from the straw. That's how it's magical. And my so guys, as the straw, one minute. So I've just put some water in it that helps it go unsticky. So now look at it, no longer sticky, comes straight off. That's the best slime you could imagine. So this is how it looks like now, guys. It's very pretty, as you can see. A bit stretchy. Well, it's a bit too stretchy, but it's no longer sticky. So I really like my slime that I made in my last video. And this video, I made it better. Because it's no longer sticky, guys. The best slime I could imagine. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. Peace.